Welcome to Team Rocket Garage. This is my 1994 Nissan Sentra, and she's got 99 problems, but how much I love it ain't one. I found a deal on some junkyard seats out of a real B14 chassis SE-R, and those are the absolute best seats for this car in my own personal opinion. And a little secret, the tweed on the seat actually matches the color scheme on the car itself. And that's totally by happenstance. So I'm really excited. So today I'm going to show you how you can put new seats in your car. Let's start by doing that in mine.
Hit the subscribe button!
That's right, everybody. It is really hard to find bolt-in options for a 1994 Nissan Sentra, the B13 chassis. But if you're lucky, you'll find either an SE-R or a B14-200 SX SE-R in the junkyard, and you can use the seats from that, which brings me to my point. Look at these. Not too shabby. A little bit of wear down here. Probably add a little foam in there to bolster her back up, but these seats came out of a car with 285,000 miles. Look how nice they are. The only real issue, cigarette burn, cut right there, a couple cigarette burns, but these are a huge upgrade for my car. Let me show you why. This is just a 5-speed coupe with the 1.6, 105 horsepower, class-leading power for a base model, but she's got some miles on her. The interior got some cigarette burns in her, some stains or whatever, and she's dirty. She's dirty, so we're gonna clean her up. Look at this. This is a stain from some, this is that like spray-on foam, and I had to use some of that up here because the support for the roof was caved in. So I bent it up and used some of that to fill it in there. Might have to address that someday. The headliner you can see is hanging, but that's not what today is about. Today is about getting those new seats in there and cleaning the inside of this bad girl because she deserves it. She's disgusting. And yeah, I mean, see, kind of a sideways move as far as like condition, but those seats are a lot more sporty and they'll hold me in and make a car a lot more enjoyable. Got the Pulsar steering wheel here, got the TDM-i coilovers, and a special thing on the back coming up here soon. You're gonna wanna see how we really tricked this bad girl out and made her handle. There was some engineering stuff, but anyways, that's a different video. So let's hop into getting these seats into my 1994 Nissan Sentra XE. All right, so we got the Sentra out here. We've got the seats over here, and we're starting to clean the inside of it out. It's incredibly dirty. Now, don't judge me. This car has, I've done a lot of work to it to get it back to its former glory. You should check out the videos here. I'll do a whole playlist for you, but I kind of use this as a daily for a while, and we're in the middle of some stuff down there. Like I said, that's coming soon, but yeah, we got to clean this bad girl out here. We've got those control arms that we did on our channel that are getting ready to go in. But yeah, look at how just dirty this is. Just sitting. Like I daily drove it and I just didn't clean it when it got parked, so it's just sat there and got disgusting. But we're gonna take this into the bathtub and just scrub it. Dawn dish soap the whole thing. But yeah, let's get these seats out. We'll clean the whole thing out too. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so we've got kind of all the garbage and stuff out of here. This is one thing I really want to take care of. It's a disgusting stain. This has been here since I had the car, and I've shampooed over here a whole bunch of times. It's pretty well in there. I'm thinking I might try some dish soap or some OxyClean, whatever, but just got to pop these two mats out of here, and then we're going to pop these seats out. And then once the seats are out, we can really go to town on the carpet. We're going to clean these seats while they're outside of the car, and they'll bolt right in place of these bad boys. Look at the difference. Like, there's not a lot of bolster on this, but like, look at the feel and the shoulder support right here. Look at that. That's crazy. tons and tons of support right there. Crazy, crazy. Really cool sporty seat, nice upgrade, and a bolt-in. So very, very exciting. Go ahead and get these bad girls out. What a difference. Got this freaking seat out. Let's hop on to the driver's side.
Seatbelts on the sides, right?
Airbags.
Yeah, airbags.
No. Should.
Well, oh, this is for the
Seatbelt sensor, yeah.
Yeah.
Which is funny because the seatbelt light has not been on, so, you know, whatever.
Probably burnt out.
Probably burnt out. Well, I guess, yeah, that makes sense. The check engine light's burned out. That's so crazy. Look how dirty this seat is. Like, look at the color here compared to here. And like, you remember when we got this car, we shampooed it like 5 times in a row.
Yeah. Like,
and we kept pulling dirt and we just gave up. So this car is pretty gross when I got it. Look, my carpet's not in bad shape. It's thin compared to that 200 SX, but bro, what the f?
What?
There's a go slow stopper right here. Look at that.
Oh.
There's a stopper for the gas pedal. Bro.
Go ahead and just remove that.
Yeah, let's go ahead. That's the mileage maker right there. What's the difference between this and an SE-R? Well, the gas pedal goes down on the SE-R. All right, here we go. Whoops. Oops, there we go. All right, we got this disconnected, so I wonder what that is. All right, you ready?
Yeah. Seats for days.
Seats for days. There's legit 5 passengers worth of seats. Dang. You guys want to know a funny story about the Sentra? When I put the stereo in this car, I needed to add a remote wire for the amplifier. I ordered remote wire, but it came in and half of the wire was like chopped. And so I thought, well, I'm gonna try to use this. Well, I started installing it and found out it was like chopped, like all the, just like shipping, you know, I don't know what happened, but somebody fucking hatcheted the package. So you can see over here, this is the wire that I intended to use. And then when I was putting in the stereo, this was the only blue wire they had at AutoZone. So it's much thicker and kind of a different blue, but it works for a remote wire. Golly, gee willikers. Okay.
Money.
Money? Damn, dude, that's a lot of money. That's like 40 cents there. Could have got a soda when that got there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just spot treating this. We're gonna shampoo. I've got a whole video on this and I'll link that in the comments below, but we're gonna hit this real quick. We'll scrub it and then we'll vacuum it up, do a rinse, and then we'll be good to go. You're probably asking, why are we gonna rinse it? You'll see in just a second. So this is just a used bottle of cleaner that I have. We have water in here and some Tide detergent. So we're just gonna use that. We're gonna really saturate it in there. And then this spot right here specifically, we're gonna let that kind of sit in there and do the whole area. We're gonna just take a standard dish brush. This one's actually been used for dishes quite a bit. That's why it's out here doing car stuff. Brush dry. Actually, we'll just and this is nothing special. We're just using a shop vac and a couple spray bottles. This one I think I got from the dollar store. Get it nice and wet. Suck it up. That's not too shabby. It's almost the right color. Look at that. All right, so yeah, you can see there's a little bit left of this spot right here, but it looks a lot better. We'll probably hit it again. I don't think I can even see that spot, Ash. No? Wow. Oh. Not too shabby for some 30-year-old carpet, huh? Well, I'd say that's probably good enough. All right, so we've got the seats here. Before they go in, I want to make sure that they're clean because these have everybody else's butt juices in them. So we're gonna go ahead and, Ashley's laughing. We're gonna go ahead and just clean these up. I'm gonna start with the driver's one. That way, in case we run out of time, we can just slap them in there. The driver's one's more important because it's gonna be dirtier. So yeah, we'll go ahead and hop to. We've got our combination of laundry soap and hot water. I did a little bit more concentration of laundry soap, so we'll be able to cycle through more water and get enough soap on there. Then we'll just shop back it out. Super clean, super easy, super cheap. Smells like gain. All right. Oh my gosh. Compare it to this one. Look at the color difference.
Wow. Yeah, that's nasty. So here's this entire fucking apparatus.
Oh, there's a hole back here. It just doesn't have anything in it. Oh. Oh, wait a minute. No, it's as good as it was on these. Okay, well, that's about in the right spot. I love when stuff goes together like by the finger, you know, it's just like it's just tailor made, you know, like some things you gotta like wiggle them to make them fit, but sometimes when you're putting in seats, the tracks, sometimes they're like stuck together so they can slide, but these ones will slide independently. So you can have it so the tracks are like, instead of perfect, they're like that. Like, so that way when you go in, the seat like kind of sits at an angle. So that's why you end up with a situation like this where, you know, once it's all bolted in, you slide it all the way forward, all the way back, and then it bites the right way. Tighten it down. So that's it. Now you know how to put new seats in your car. Comment below what kind of car you've got and what kind of seats you want to put in there as well. I love these seats. The lumbar support is amazing and the driver feel is unmatched. I feel so at home in this car, and I'm not getting slid around on that cushy little couch chair that I had before. It's kind of crazy. The car smells better too. Like, it just smells different. The other seats, maybe that's a reflection on me. Butt juice is 7 years. And I'm so excited because the car drives phenomenally. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.